Have you ever felt like the world just threw you aside? Like you were nothing more than a disposable piece of trash? Maybe you've trusted people who ended up betraying you. They left you shattered, wondering how you could ever rise again. But what they didn't know, and maybe even you didn't realize, is that this moment of despair is the beginning of something extraordinary. The heartbreak of betrayal. Betrayal hurts. It's a deep, searing pain that leaves you questioning everything and everyone. You gave your trust freely, expecting loyalty in return. But instead, you were left broken. Those who betrayed you are now watching, perhaps even hoping you stay down, thinking they've won. But they don't understand the power that's being forged within you at this very moment. Finding strength in adversity. What if I told you that each wound you've endured has made you stronger? Think about the process of a broken bone healing. It mends itself and becomes stronger than before. This same principle applies to our hearts and spirits. Every scar is a reminder of the battles we've survived and the strength we've gained. Remember, you're not broken. You're rebuilding. You're transforming into someone unbreakable. Someone who has faced darkness and learned to thrive in it. Embracing the power of resilience. It's okay to feel the weight of what you've been through, but don't let it consume you. You have a choice, to let this moment define you or to redefine yourself. Each setback you've faced has been preparing you for a comeback that will astonish everyone. They try to bury you, but you're not buried, you're planted. And soon, you will rise, growing into a version of yourself that's even stronger than before. The divine plan for rebirth. Here's where faith comes in. Whether or not you believe in a higher power, there's something profound about the idea that all things happen for a reason. Imagine a divine force watching over you, knowing that this pain isn't for nothing. It's sculpting you into a masterpiece. God, or the universe, or whatever you believe in, has a way of taking our broken pieces and turning them into something breathtaking. And this transformation is not happening in the shadows. It's happening where everyone who doubted you can see. The comeback is stronger than the setback. Think about every person who has doubted you, every whisper behind your back, every time you were told you weren't good enough. Each of those moments has added fuel to the fire within you. They tried to extinguish your light, but instead, they ignited a blaze. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. You're about to prove to yourself and to everyone who ever doubted you that you are made of something unbreakable, transforming pain into purpose. The truth is, they didn't break you, they transformed you. Through their betrayal, they showed you how strong you really are. Now, you're more resilient, more powerful, and ready to take on anything that comes your way. The journey you're on is about more than just survival. It's about becoming unstoppable, about knowing that no matter how many times you fall, you have the strength to get back up, a warrior spirit. This kind of transformation isn't for the faint of heart. It's for those who are willing to endure, to rise from the ashes, and to become warriors. God doesn't rebuild the weak, He rebuilds the strong. You're not just enduring this pain, you're using it to become something extraordinary. You're forging a new version of yourself that will be able to face any challenge, any adversity, and come out victorious, standing tall in the face of doubt. As you rebuild, those who once doubted you will be forced to watch. They'll see a new strength, a new resilience, and they'll realize they never truly understood who you were. They thought they had won, but now they'll see that their betrayal was just the beginning of your rise. They'll have to live with the knowledge that they could never truly break you. Reclaiming your power. You're not just coming back, you're rising to new heights. You're reclaiming your power, your strength, and your purpose. And with each step you take, you're building an unshakable foundation. Every hurt, every tear, and every struggle has become the bricks upon which you're rebuilding your life. They thought they were ending you, but instead, they've given you the tools to rise higher than ever before. The lesson in rising again. As you move forward, remember this: the strength you're gaining now is permanent. It's a testament to everything you've been through and everything you've overcome. They tried to destroy you, but instead, they created something they'll never be able to touch. You're not just a survivor. You're a force of nature. You're proof that no matter how hard life tries to break you, you have the power to come back stronger, wiser, and more unstoppable than ever before.